Hey everybody, it's me. I just wanted to break my radio silence here and make a new video. I haven't been on here with new videos in a while. I've just been sort of reposting old things that I took down, and I figured it's okay now to put them back up because it's a different point in time and we're dealing with different kinds of sensitivities at this point, and there's probably no real danger or harm in re-uploading old videos at this point for archival purposes. So I've been doing that, but I just wanted to make a new video and talk about something specific. Let's see, a few of you have been wondering why the comments section is disabled, and if I can, turn back on the comment section. I'm not going to do that. Here's why. Having done that in the past and just allowed people to comment and comment and comment and have extensive lists of comments, I realized that some of you are putting yourselves in danger actually by sort of exposing your ignorance to certain things and certain information. So I don't want to make you guys a target for anybody who might choose to prey on your ignorance. So I'm just going to not turn that back on. I'm just not going to turn back on the comment section because you guys are too trusting, I think, a lot of you, and I think that's dangerous at this point in time, and I don't want anybody causing any of you harm. I care about all of you guys, and I don't want any harm coming to you. So that's my biggest reason for doing that. Maybe in the future, if it's understood that there's absolutely no reason to be concerned about personal safety when it comes to putting information out online or anywhere for that matter, then we can turn back on the comment section and have an actual discussion. But for now, I'm not going to do that because of what I just said before. So that's really it. I just wanted to come on and kind of explain that, and also explain my reasons for not really making any new videos lately, which is for very similar reasons, because right now there are a lot of very sensitive matters going on in this world, and I think me discussing any of them, frankly, as a potential candidate for the office of president in 2024 would perhaps compromise certain things, and I don't want to do that either. Yeah, so we're just gonna, moving forward from this point, be much more careful about all of our personal safety and security. Not that we're going to probably achieve perfect security, but we're going to do the best that we can with protecting everybody and making sure that nobody's going to come after you for something that you do know or something that you don't know, because this is what bad people do. They use that kind of information against you. They use your ignorance against you. They use what you know against you. Um, so we want to make sure that that doesn't happen. Okay? All right. I hope you guys understand. And if not, you can contact me via my website. There's an email address on there. My Skype profile. That's probably not the most secure channel, but my email address is, as far as I can tell, fairly secure. And I'll tell you that right now, what that is. That's Macintosh USA at protonmail.com. That's Macintosh USA at protonmail.com. That's also in the contact section on my website, which is linked to below this video, I think. If not, I'll put it there. And yeah, just message me there. That is the most secure channel for communication that I presently have with you guys. Proton Mail is a company based in Switzerland, so they're probably at this point a bit more careful with privacy and sharing data and information with anybody than any other digital media outlet that I'm aware of. If you guys know of anything better, let me know. But I don't know of anything better at present. And now I'm letting you know what I don't know. So that could be dangerous. But I'm aware of the risks. Okay. Thanks a lot, you guys. This is Michael Macintosh signing off. Have a great weekend. I'm just going to be here at my new place. I moved. I'm living in the Los Angeles area, so you'll never find me. I'll just be here with my family, hanging out, going for a long walk, because I still don't have a car. I live in Los Angeles without a car. I'll have to go get a car. All right, talk to you guys soon.